Kweth ma keto piny owacho tesre oseo jatend piny William Ruto magiwacho ni ojarogi ni gionge kod thochgi mar yombo e yiero ma 2027. Ka otelnegi kod jatend duond bura mar Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka, Kweth nolero ni gibiro tiyo e twech achiel nyaka giko mar neno ni gikawo telo. Kweth nowacho ni giseketo ikruok makare mar neno ni giyudo sir e konde duto mag piny Kenya.
We are determined, as we have been told by the people of Kenya, that they want one single presidential candidate to face William Ruto. I have heard William Ruto bragging that with the demise of Raila Odinga, he has no opponent. I would like just to inform him that we are not his opponents. His opponents are the people of Kenya. We are just doing what the people of Kenya want. We have sufficient, clear instructions from the people of Kenya to agree on one single presidential candidate to face William Ruto and liberate our country, restore the dignity of the payslip, restore the Kenyan nation.
And we're also giving a message to the country kwamba kwa kitendo hichi tunaonyesha wazi kwamba sisi timu ya United Opposition, we are truly united, and we will continue to consult into every difficult situation, because after consultation, William Ruto will definitely and absolutely be one term.
Unity is not an option, it is really an imperative. It is the most lethal weapon in our arsenal as the only hope of the people of Kenya to change this failed regime with its failed policies. And for this, we are ready to sacrifice, each one of us and all of us,